Last is text. How to plot or write characters in Turtle. So how to write text in Turtle is presented in this code. The same code is here. This will draw a circle. This is of square and this is of rectangle. So nothing is changed. Only this particular code is changed. Here this turtle.write function is the function that writes code text in your window, and this is a string that we want to write here. These all are the additional argument you have to pass if you require it. Move means if move is true, then it will draw a underline after writing the text. I will run this code, then you can notice it. So these two text will be underlined, else other will be simple. These are additional argument, alignment and font, etc, etc. What is this doing? This I am taking my pen up, setting new position, taking pen down and changing the color. So it is not that much important, as we have seen in previous codes. And this circle, so this will write circle with move equal to, that means print underlined. This will print square and this will print a rectangle. Be a minute. So this will print circle in the window. This line will print square at a different position and this will print a rectangle. So I hope you understand how to write a text in our Turtle window. Now let's look at it. So this is same code, circle, then red square and green rectangle. Then text will be written. See, text in Turtle underlined, circle underlined and square and rectangle is not underlined, it's a simple. So this way you can add text in your Turtle screen. So I hope you understood the basics of Turtle, that is starting from, you can see this window and title, then moving the pen size and color, then background color, you can see your background color, then you can see that set position, so pen up, set position, pen down, basic 4 you have speed, so various speed arguments, that is 1, 10 and 0. So you can see that speed argument, speed attribute of Turtle, then basic shape, that is circle, square and rectangle, and text in Turtle, how to add a text element in our Turtle window. I hope you understood this basic, and it is more than enough to understand any special application written in Turtle, this pyrograph or any other animations designing using Turtle. This is enough basic tutorial for you, and now we'll move to some special codes written for you, that is some of these pyrographs and spirals, Indian flag, etc. So now let's move towards the special codes of